Welcome to RVA's Homily of the Day. Let us now listen to Father Abe Arganiosa as he reflects on today's Gospel.
Dear brothers and sisters, in our Gospel today, a Canaanite woman came to Jesus, asking him to heal her daughter, tormented by a demon. Instead of immediately answering her, the Lord pretended not to be listening to her request. However, after testing her faith, the Lord granted her petition and healed the child. First, we must imitate the woman who lovingly intercedes for her daughter. The daughter didn't personally pray to Jesus, but she was healed through the prayers of her mother. This is a very touching example of prayer of intercession. We too must intercede for others in need, especially those who cannot pray for themselves. Second, on several occasions or most of the time, our prayers are not immediately being granted by God. We need to be patient. We need to trust in the Lord. Sometimes they are answered, but not exactly the way we wanted it to be. God knows what is best for us. Third, we must not forget to be humble before God in our prayers, like the mother in the Gospel. The prayers of Mama Mary, Saint Joseph, and the saints are powerful because they are humble and deeply trusting the Lord. Prayers must not be given as demands, but we must plead before the Lord like servants. As Mama Mary said in her fiat, I am the handmaid of the Lord. Let it be done to me according to what He said. Let us pray ardently, not only for ourselves, but also for those in need.
Thanks for listening today. For more homilies, please visit our website at www.rvasia.org.